So I've got my pan going here on a high heat. I'm just going to go ahead and pour in a couple tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm going to go ahead and throw in 6 cardamom seeds, 3 cloves of star anise, a level teaspoon of cumin seeds. I'm just going to go ahead and stir that. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 1 chopped onion. Now I'm going to add about a tablespoon of curry powder. You also want to make sure that you reduce the heat at this point so that the onions can cook without burning. So here I've got about a tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. I'm going to go ahead and add that into the pan. Here I've got about 3 to 4 cloves of chopped garlic. Add that into the mixture too. I'm going to just add a tad bit more cooking oil. I'm going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of sugar and just allow that to melt into the cooking oil. You want to keep stirring it so that it doesn't burn. Today I'm going to be using chicken thighs. They've been cut into quarter pieces and through the bone. The bone is still in the chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that into the pan. Now I'm going to go ahead and season my chicken with some salt. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to go in with a tablespoon of chili powder. Here I've got about 1 whole green pepper. I'm going to go ahead and add that into the chicken. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 4 chopped tomatoes and 2 cubes of Maggi. Here I have a few chopped sprigs of coriander. I'm going to stir that in and then I'm going to allow this to sit and cook for about 30 minutes. Get that chicken really nice and tender. Get it to really soak up all those flavors. At this point you can check for seasoning. If you need more salt, now is the time to add it in. Now I'm going to reduce the heat and cover this up and allow it to simmer for about 30 minutes. So this has been cooking now for about 30 minutes. Just going to open that up and stir that. It should be ready now. So at this point you're ready to serve it up and enjoy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just scoop on some Greek yogurt. Garnish with some fresh parsley.